Hey guys, this is Subhash S. Mishra. Today we will discuss another Python program. We will write a Python program to find the given number is positive or negative. So here you will have one number, for example 30, and you will see whether it is a positive number or it is a negative number. Similarly, if you have a number as minus 10, you will check whether it is a positive number or negative number. So how you will know whether a number is positive or negative? If a number is greater than 0, then we will say it is as a positive. Okay. If it is lesser than 0, then it is a negative number, right? Lesser than 0, then it is negative number. This is the simple logic, right? Same thing we will write through a Python program. Let us see how we can write it. Okay. So first we will take one variable, let us take it as a num, okay, and let us assign for example 10, okay, and now we will write our logic. So we will write if number is greater than 0. So we will say num is greater than 0, okay. Then what we will say? If num is greater than 0, then it is a positive number. So we will say print positive number, okay. Then we will say else if, okay, number is equal to 0. In this case what you will say? If number is equal to 0, again print, what you will print? Number is 0, or you can just say 0, okay. Else if these two conditions not matching, then you will say print negative number, okay. Now let us execute and see, right. So we have written our logic. See, it is a positive number because 10 is greater than 0. So here what we wrote? If number is 10 is greater than 0, it means it is a positive number. If we will write as 0, let us see, run, it is 0. How it worked? If number is greater than 0, so what is the number value? 0 is greater than 0? No. So it will not enter here, it will come here. 0 is equal to 0? Yes, the condition matches. So we are printing 0, okay. It will not go here, right. Similarly, if we have a number which is for example minus 5, and let us execute, what it is giving? Negative number. How? If number is greater than 0, number value is minus 5, minus 5 is greater than 0? No. So it will not go here. Second condition, else if number is equal to 0, minus 5 is equal to 0? No, condition is not matching, then it will come here. What it is telling? It is a negative number, that is what we are telling, it is a negative number, that is what you are getting it here, right. If you want to give user input, then what you will do? No need to give direct value here, you can just write int, okay, input, then you can say enter a number, okay. Now execute, give any number, for example we will give this one, let us see, it is a positive number. Similarly, if you will run and you will give number as 0, it will say 0. Similarly, if you will run it again and you will give minus something, it will say negative number, okay. So this is how you can check whether a number is positive or negative through a Python program. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.